Hello, Safety John with AIM Transportation Solutions bringing you this week's Safety Bulletin. Fire extinguishers. Hopefully you have one, and ideally you'll never have to use one. Did you know under FMCSR 393.95, a fire extinguisher is required in all commercial motor vehicle power units? Hazmat carriers require an extinguisher with a rating of 10 BC or greater. Non-hazmat carriers require one 5 BC or two 4 BC or greater rated fire extinguishers. So let's review operating a fire extinguisher. The pass system. P, pull the pin. A, aim at the base of the fire. S, squeeze the handle. And S, sweep along the base of the fire. So driver managers, dispatchers, when talking to your drivers, remind them to check their fire extinguishers for charge, securement, and accessibility. Bottom line, as the saying goes, don't show up at a fire with a water pistol. It will not end well.